Ductless air conditioning is the anytime, any home, any room solution. Do you live in the Twin Cities and have an older home without ductwork? No problem. Ductless AC installs quickly and easily. Is your air conditioning more than 10 years old? Ductless AC is more efficient and will help save money on utility bills. Do you have a cabin, lake home that needs cooling? Yup, ductless is the answer, and it'll also provide heat in winter. Do you use window air conditioners to stay cool? Ductless does it better. Does someone in your home have allergies or asthma? Breathe cleaner air with a ductless mini split. It delivers cool conditioned air directly to you, avoiding gunk that could be in your ductwork. Whatever the problem, ductless AC is the answer. Save money, save energy, be more comfortable this summer. Go ductless with Blue Ox Heating and Air. Call today, 952-208-4570.